paint is, it's sucking up particles of paint, gooiness, whatever it is. It ends up in your airbrush and then causes problems. So when I run out of paint, I grab a fresh bottle, like a clean bottle. Fill that, take my siphon out, put it in a new bottle. So I got fresh paint in a fresh bottle. No clumpies at the bottom, okay? If you continually refill an old bottle of paint, you're gonna keep all the chunks in there. It's just gonna accumulate more and more until finally you can't use your airbrush. So I make it a habit to just save. That's what it's for. When you get a fresh bottle of paint from the company, the paint supplier, and it's 16 ounces of black, let's say, fill 8 clean bottles of paint, cap it, and now you have your inventory of paint you can just grab and go when you have an event. Always keep an extra in your case, for sure. And it's going to be a fresh bottle with fresh paint. You'll find that you'll clean your airbrushes a fraction as often, right? I think I clean my airbrush, give it a once over, maybe once every 20 events or so. I don't know. It's not a lot. And I normally can get away with just cleaning as I go, with a little bit of like Windex and water, which is cheap cleaner. I'm not having to use the carburetor cleaner, which is awesome for those really tough clogs. By the way, if you haven't used Airbrush carburetor cleaner in the spray variety, you can get it at Walmart